Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create a secure website with GoDaddy, complete guide step by step clearly. To create a secure website with GoDaddy, begin by visiting the GoDaddy homepage. Log into your GoDaddy account or create a new one if you don't have an existing account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the website section in the main menu. Choose the type of website you want to create, whether it be a personal blog, a business site, or an e-commerce platform. Select the Create New Site option to start the website builder. Follow the prompts to choose a template that fits your vision and style. Customize the template by adding your content, images, and branding elements. Once you are satisfied with the design, proceed to the Settings menu. Look for the security settings in your website management panel. Here, you will have the option to enable SSL for your website. SSL, Secure Sockets Layer, encrypts the data transferred between your website and its visitors. Select the SSL option and follow the instructions to purchase and install it. Once SSL is installed, confirm that your website now shows the padlock symbol in the address bar. Next, implement strong passwords for your website's login and FTP accounts. Consider using a password manager to create and store complex passwords securely. Enable two-factor authentication for an additional layer of security. Regularly update your website's software, themes, and plugins to protect against vulnerabilities. Set up a regular backup schedule to prevent data loss in case of an attack. Utilize GoDaddy's website security tools, such as malware scans and firewall protection. Once everything is set, preview your site and test all security features. Finally, publish your website when you are confident everything is secure and functioning. Your website is now secure and ready to go live for your visitors. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.